Hey guys, wanna know how to change your password in MetaTrader? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first off, in order to change your password, just simply make sure you have MetaTrader opened. And right here on the top left, you can see this three hamburger icon right here. Just simply click on it. Now on the top, you can see your account name. Click on it again. And now you should be provided with this page right here. On the top right, simply select these three dots right here and then choose one, maybe master or investor password. I'll just go for change investor password and then just type in your current password and then your new password. Now simply select next once you're done. And after that, your password will successfully be changed. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. We'll see you in the next one.